Hello, welcome back. This is the 17th question. Now, in this question, you were told to simplify root 27 plus 3 over root 3. This is a question on surd. Now, if you want to solve this so that it will be very easy for you, you need to break it down. That is, solve this one separately and then solve this one separately. Once you get your answer, then you can add both of them. This is addition at the middle. Now, let's get into the solution. Now, this first one, which is root 27. Now, root 27 is not a perfect square. So, there's no way you can find its root so that you must get a decimal number. So, there's no need of finding it. So, now we need to break it down. First of all, you think, what two numbers can you multiply each other that will give you 27? Or you can decide to find the prime factors of 27. What can divide the 27? You can't remember. You have 3. 27 divided by 3 is what? Is 9. You can divide 9 again. 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Right? Now, these are the prime factors of 27, which means 3 times 3 times 3 is equals to 27. But now, you can see that this is, if you divide this into 2, you can see that this is 3 and this is 3. That means 3 times 3 is what? 9. And 9 is a perfect square. Root of 9 is 3. Right? So 9 times 3 can still give us 27. So here I can just write 9 times 3. The square root of 9 times 3. Which is still equal to the square root of 9 multiplied by the square root of 3. Now, what is the square root of 9? It's 3 multiplied by square root of 3, which is equal to 3 root 3. Right? That is for this. We have gotten 3 root 3. Then for the next one, which is 3 over root 3, you multiply the numerator and the denominator by this root 3. That's the numerator. You multiply them, so it will be equal to 3 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. Now, root 3 over root 3 is still 1. So 1 times this is still this number. So nothing has been changed here. Nothing has been changed here. We just multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. When you say 3 times root 3, this will give you 3 root 3. Then root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 will give you 3. So now this, because this is multiplying themselves, this 3 can cancel this 3. So this is equal to root 3. Are we together now? Now, what do we have as root of 27? We have it as 3 root 3. What do we have as 3 over root 3? We have it as just root 3. So we can then add both of them together, which is 3 root 3, right, plus root 3. Now, simplify it. How do you simplify it? Very simple. Now, here is 3 root 3 plus root 3. Now, this root 3 is just 1. Why this root 3 is 3, right? You add them. That's 3 plus 1. See, 3 plus 1. Because both of them are root 3. Let's put the root 3. Is equal to 4 root 3. Which is the final answer. Very simple. So, this is a simple answer. 4 root 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, I believe this answer a lot of questions for you. So, if you love what we are doing, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. Also, try and comment. Thank you.